This thing is so cute. Wow. Screw you, tick. Man, wasps hurt.
Good morning. Keith is making some delicious looking eggs.
Good morning.
And coffee is percolated. We're just gonna pour it.
Hopefully no mice have been pooping in this salt.
I think we're good. Little getaway at the cottage. So this morning, Keith made me a really nice breakfast.
I did. I don't usually get out of bed before her.
It was really nice. And as you can tell, we're in a new location.
We're back at the cabin.
The weather's a lot nicer though, so we can be outside.
It's beautiful here. Sort of ran away from everything. A getaway, I guess, if you will. So we're just gonna enjoy the day.
Bring you along. Do I look like one of those like workout models? Am I doing it right?
We had like 2 big cups of coffee.
So good!
We enjoyed the beautiful morning sun. It is warm today.
So as you can see, we changed our clothes.
And we're gonna go for a little walk.
Yes, we are. Down the old road and see if we can find some, what are they called again? The flowers that are white, that are Ontario flowers. Trilliums.
Trilliums.
Find trilliums. And not get ticky.
I think they're everywhere. Yeah, ticks, and I think poison ivy's not out yet. But.
Let's not walk through this. I already found one on my boot.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That right there is a tick, and it probably has Lyme disease. Screw you, tick! Oh wow, they like to cling on things.
That's the point.
You wanna get it off me?
So we're actually not gonna walk through this field because it's too ticky and we're wearing shorts.
Oh my god, ticks are actually gross. They're everywhere.
And explore a new road.
Just the understanding what they do, they embed their heads into your skin. They embed their heads into your skin, and then they swell up.
I don't like this.
You know, it's like so gross. And they give you something that can carry, that you can carry for the rest of your life that'll make you fatigued forever.
Really quickly, like, just check her. Can you check me? I didn't mean on camera. Oh my god, there was one on you.
What?
Yeah, on your belt.
We went into 2 meters of grass, and there was 2 on me.
So much for finishing the old road. That's okay though. We'll walk back, and my cousins who were up here a few weeks ago have created a bridge path in a swampy area. So we are going to try and go explore that.
Well, Devon goes in for a pee. I'm gonna tell you this horror story from last night. So there's a window above the bed, and there's like curtains, small curtains. But the curtains sort of like come out away from the window because they sort of get blown away by a bit of a draft. And so I put my hand up because I'm trying to figure out, I'm in bed. And I put my hand up, lying down, to feel where the draft was coming from. Because I wanted to clog it or see if maybe the window was open. And I put it up, and all of a sudden, like, I get this stinging sensation, right? And I get up and I jolt up and I look around, and there's like 2 wasps just flying overhead, and I got stung. Haven't been stung by a wasp in like 10 years, since I was probably poking them too much as a kid. But man, wasps hurt. Devon woke up in a jolt. Man, that was scary.
We made it to the path. We're gonna go check out this bridge, see if it can stand us.
Oh, that's cool. That's what they were building?
Yeah. Pretty impressive.
Wow. That's actually pretty impressive, yeah. Oh, oh my God. Oh my. Shout out to your little cousins.
Shout out to Brett, Claire, Jill, Hannah, Ryan, and Carter.
Yeah, thanks, dudes, for this bridge. This is really cool. It's like island hopping. Very neat. I totally would have done this if I was their age, hanging out with them. If they were friends with me.
Keith is now back on dry land, and he left me with the camera to get across this. Whew. Oh gosh. We're good. Maybe so. There we go. Okay. Hooray! I've become a simple souvenir of someone's kill, like the sea. I'm constantly changing from calm to ill. Madness fills my heart and soul as if a great divide could swallow me whole. Oh, look how I'm breaking down. Sweet hot heat water.
Generator's on. The load is now on, and that means we can warm up water and do our dishes.
Yep. Was that good? For all your charcuterie needs, just hit me up. Take a look at this.
Devon loves making charcuterie boards, and look at that beauty. Charcuterie board, bugs, a drink, our books. We're just gonna hang out here in the sun, have some lunchtime snacks, enjoy the view and the hawks.
They're just keeping you updated on what's happening.
I don't think we've told you guys this. So as of now, our plan is to go to Vermont when we can for ski season in November before
Hopefully
December.
get jobs there, working there.
And then go off and travel. Starting in Europe, heading east.
Hopefully Trans-Siberian Railway to Asia.
Exactly. And we'll take you with us.
That's the goal. Okay, so we were just chilling and Keith noticed the cutest thing on the entire world.
The cutest thing in the entire world.
Like, that's my finger. All the worries that occupy the back of my mind. Could it be this misery will survive?
It is the evening. We spent most of the day reading right here and hanging out. Devon's cooking inside the potatoes and vegetables. I got corn on the cob on the barbecue with chicken, and I'm about to make an outdoor fire. It's like semi-dry. Let's see what we got here. Proud of that. Got our corn on the cob, some barbecue chicken, beautiful Devon guac. Very good stuff. And our, what do you call them, vegetables?
I call them, what did I call them?
Lazy? No.
No patience veggies.
No patience. That's very similar.
No, it's not at all. It's not being lazy. It's actually being the opposite of lazy because you're causing yourself less work and it takes less time so you can do more things. Someone come and save my life. Good morning.
Wait.
What?
I was shaky.
Oh. Good morning. Sorry we ended the video kind of abruptly last night. We just had dinner and then kind of stayed outside for a bit and did some reading, and honestly I fell asleep at like 10:30.
I read like most of the book. It's great.
Yeah, so it was a really nice night, but we thought we would catch you guys up. We are down at the dock drinking our morning coffee. It's so calm and it's so beautiful.
So nice here.
Nice little escape before we have to go back to reality.
It's just like perfect.
So we're gonna eat breakfast pretty much same as yesterday. No idea what time it is, but sadly we gotta head out pretty soon afterwards. So
Devon's gonna do some work for the week. I gotta do some editing as well. So enjoy our last little breakfast time here. Get out of here, bug.
All right, it's gonna be a hot little drive.
Yep.
Okay.
So, it's always difficult leaving here, but we are all packed up, everything's locked up, and we are ready to go back home.
Back to reality. That's okay. It was a great weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed spending it with us. It's kind of chill.
Getaway. Oh, and so nice. It's like we got a glimpse of summer. Amazing.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.